Hello people, welcome to Rescue Code. Today we are going to do some file handlings. So let's begin. So here we go. As you know, today we are going to write a program that takes roll number, lname, fname and date of birth and outputs the information on the screen. We will take the roll number, lname, fname and date of birth of only one student. Let's begin. So first we need structure for this program, and moreover we need a nested structure. If you have confusion of nested structure, you will be clear in this video. And so first we need struct variable struct, and first we have to write here date. Date is the name of our structure, and inside this date we will write here int year. Year is a variable. Next is month. Next is day. Year, month and day. Outside this structure we will declare another structure, struct details, or let's say student, and here we need roll number. So roll number I will write here int roll, and we need l name, first name. So for first name I will write f name, and its size I will give 20. Here l name, its size also I will give 20. Okay, now we have to include the variable of this structure, date structure, inside the structure student. So for that, struct date, suppose D, I am writing only D for the date. Okay, now see what is happening. The variable of this structure is in member of this student structure. This D also contains year, month and day. So through this D we can access the members of this date structure, because D is a variable of struct date. So I hope you clear about this concept. Inside the main function we will declare a variable of this struct student. So for this struct student, and I will write an std for student variable. Now what happens, this student variable can access the member of student, that means roll number, f name, l name, and again here is the variable date, right? So through the structure we can access D, and through this D we can access day, month and year. So I have to understand. So now it's turn to ask for the input. Printf, enter the roll number. I will scan it in %d, comma, ampersand. So where should we store it? We are storing it in the structure, so our variable is std. So right here std dot, and what, roll number is, so roll number is here, std dot roll number. Similarly printf, enter the last name, sorry, first name, and let's give your /n. Scanf, last name is of strings of %s, comma, we store in std dot first name. Okay, so be with us and you will not miss anything. So next is enter the last name. scanf %s std dot, it is for lname. Okay, now here comes the logic. So here you have to understand very much. So we have to enter the date of birth in year slash month slash day format. Day format, and we will now just get the input. So for that we will write scanf %d, and the year we have to store it in std dot d dot year. So no, see here, std is our student variable of struct, so we have to write in std dot, so d is also a member, right? So d dot year, that means now we're accessing this member of date through this std variable of student, you know. So this is called nested structure, where we make two structure, and a member of one structure can be accessed through the variable of another structure. I hope you understand. So by this we have input all the details of a student. Now it's turn for printing the value. So printf, printing also same as scanning. So printf /n, so here is missing /n in everyone, /n. Okay, we're done now. /n, the details of student is /n. So now we are going to print. So for that I will write roll number and %d /n, first name %s /n, last name %s, and I will write a date of birth is date of birth. I write here %d /d %d. Okay, and here first is roll number, so we have to bring it from std dot roll number. Second person as we will bring it from std dot fname, and next person as we will bring it from std dot lname. Again here is 3% that is for date of birth, so we will bring it from std dot d dot, first is year, comma, again std dot d dot month, again std dot d dot day. Okay, by this line our program is successful. So let's check whether there is any error or not. Let's compile and run. 2001 suppose. Okay, so here you can see there is no error. Let's check the program. Enter the roll number, I will enter 10. Enter the, oh it is spelling mistake, enter the first name, I will write here Ram, last name Rai. So you can see it isn't asking any other input as date of birth. So enter the date of birth in year, month, data format, and it hasn't input. So here is a syntax or logical error. So let's see where is a logical error. We have to input 3% D's. So for that we have to write here scanf %d, and we have to store it in the address of std dot d dot month, and next we will input and scan it in std dot d dot day. So now let's check the error for this program. Roll number 10, first name is Ram, right? Again it is not asking anything here, yes? So again let's check for the error. So you can see in last name I have written here %d, but name is a string type. So no, we have declared a char type for name, for sorting name. That means std lname is char of char. So no, lname is in char format, that is string. So but to accept string we should use a %s, but we have used %d. So here is error. So there's a %s. Now here we go. Okay, roll number 10, Ram, right, and date of birth in year, month, data format. So year I will write 2000, and again month I will write just 02 and 10. Okay, you can see the details. The details of the student is roll number is 10, fname is Ram, lname is Rai, and date of birth is 2002 10 is. So our program is successful. I hope you enjoy this program. If you want to watch more videos, you can subscribe to the channel Rescue Code and be a member of our rescue team. That's all for today. Meet you in the next video.